So welcome to Hangul Series 1. This is Hangul 2, hard letter changes. In this lesson we're going to learn about ing, more things about ing, and new consonants, and more fun sound changes, which are going to get kind of annoying after a while. So let's begin. Ing is kind of annoying because any consonant before an initial ing, which is silent, remember, takes ing's place. For example, we have mar, I, e, yo. Because real is right before a silent ing, it's basically going to run over ing in speech. Mario. That's how you want to say it. Mario. Written like this. Well, no, not written like this. Don't write it like this. Whatever you do, do not write it like this. It's written like this. That's proper. Mario. Mario. This I just wrote there. Sorry, I said that by accident. Mario. This is how it's said. Mario. Mario. Murul. This real comes up here, knocks this guy out. Or honi. Nin comes up here, knocks this one out. These are what they sound like. Okay? Mario, murul, honi. This works 100% of the time. So no stupid questions about, does this happen all the time? Yes, it does. Consonant behind here takes ing's place. But look, vowels beside it, ing doesn't really care. None of the vowels really care if they're beside each other. It's the consonants that are going to bully ing out of the way if it's silent. Mario, Mario, murul, honi. The new letters we're going to learn come in three forms. It's relaxed, very calm, aspirated, burst of air, this is English's default, and tensed, it's stopped, it's sudden, and the tone of your vowel is going to go up. Relaxed letters are going to be the hardest ones for you because we don't have an equivalent in English. Many Koreans and romanization will tell you it's just a simple B versus P or T versus D, etc., etc. But I'm going to show you that it's not exactly that. If you know French, Spanish, Italian, you know that pa is different from pa. Pa is English. In pa, I can put as much air as I want, it's not going to sound weird. Pa in French is a much more calm, relaxed sound. Same with ta. Calm and relaxed in French, ta. Ta in English. As much air as I want, I can put it in, and it's not going to sound weird. Ta. Ta. That is an aspirated letter in Korean what's said in English, so E-N. And in French, and other Romance languages, it's going to sound like a relaxed letter, not an aspirated letter. Sorry, did I say Make sure I said aspirated for English. English, aspirated, all the time. You're not going to have a problem hearing these. You're not going to have a problem saying these. These are very English letters. Relaxed is what you're going to need to pay attention to. Very relaxed, calm, little air coming out of your mouth. You're probably going to not hear these in speech very well. As you go along, as you practice, you're going to get better. Tensed, this is what's kind of difficult. You make these sounds. You don't know you make these sounds, but you do. S always introduces them. So, for example, spa. Quick, tensed, no air came out of your mouth. Spa, ba, ba. How about stop? Stop, da, da, da. Okay? Ba, da. That's the sounds that you have to try and make. Okay? Notice that the vowel went up and no air came out of your mouth when you said these. So let's get started. The first letter that follows this pattern is piup, piup, and sangpiup. So piup makes a P or a B sound. Now a lot of people will tell you B, but listen to this. Pa, pa. Is that a B sound to you? No, it's not, because I speak English natively. This is a P sound. This is a normal English P. Pa, pa. Feel free to let all the air out of your mouth. Pa. This is a tensed P. Ba, ba, ba. Quick, tone goes up. So let's say them together. Pa, light. Pa, aspirated. Ba, quick, fast, no air. What's going to annoy you now is if I put ah in front of pa. Listen to the sound change. Pa alone, aba. Aba. Sounds like a B. Korean ears are programmed different from English ears. Koreans are going to say, well, that was the same thing as the one before. You're going to say, no, that was a B sound. The one before was a P sound. Koreans are programmed to hear this as being a light sound. Programmed to hear this would be pa and apa. Same, no change for English speakers. Ba and apa, apa. That's no change again for English speakers. This is the one that's really going to tick you off. Pa on its own, aba. when it's said with a vowel before it. So Korean categorizes this as a light sound, as an aspirated sound, and a tense sound. So light sounds, P and B, are in the same boat, unfortunately, in English. Pa, aba, pa, apa, ba, apa. Same. So peep, P or B sound. Peep, P sound all the time, native English speaker P. And sangpeep, which is just two peeps written beside each other. Ba, ba. So think of these as their own letters now. Try not to relate them to English letters. They're their own letters in your mind now. Peep, peep, and sangpeep. Now, let's go to the next one. Tigut. Tigut, right here, my little buddy, makes a D or a D or a T sound. So, ta, ta, light T, ta. No aspiration, not much aspiration. Ta. Tiet is a heavy aspiration. Ta, ta.